In this video, I'm covering these Ohuhu markers that were sent to me. I'm very grateful to Ohuhu for having sent me these. The set includes the markers themselves, a marker pad, and Fineliners. I'd like to start off by saying that I do believe these to be the best marker to start off with, and perhaps even one of the best markers out there. And I'd like to show off future drawings with these markers just to show how much value these markers bring. Here I'm just swatching the colors. The markers came with 2 cards for me to swatch with, which is actually really nice. The only nitpick I would actually have about these is that the colors do just seem to be a little all over the place, but like I said, that's just a nitpick. Here is one of the Fineliners. It's actually made very well and slides smoothly across the smooth paper from the marker pad. My experience with these Fineliners is actually really nice, as I inked a small Goku sketch here. For the colors, I wanted to take on a drawing of Stitch, since this set includes a lot of blues and these markers are very forgiving when it comes to coloring and shading. The brush nib is actually a really nice blend of smooth and stiff, as to give a really nice sense of control when it comes to coloring. I generally don't have anything to complain about when it comes to these markers, especially when you consider their price point of 75 cents to $1. These are truly one of the best markers out there. The only thing I'm really missing currently is a bigger set for more of a variety of colors. That goes with any art supply, and the Ohuhu markers blend incredibly easy and are so friendly to use. With that being said, I hope that this video shows a good bit of how good these markers can be with their price point and value they give. They're truly amazing markers, and I highly recommend them.